independent commission?
Yes, we are putting together the EO that will create the independent commission. The independent commission will be the investigative arm. So that they will continue to investigate whatever information is received. It will be sent to them. They will investigate it, and they will make recommendations as to how to proceed, whether kasuhan itong mga ito or i-ombudsman o dalhin sa DOJ, whatever it is. But they will recommend to the executive what to do with certain parties who have been found to be part of all of this corruption that's been going on, not only in flood control, but all of the the workings within DPWH. Kasi unfortunately, the more we look, the more we find. Kahit sa 2026 budget, marami pa rin siningit. So talagang it really needs to be cleaned out properly.